You bought in. Even on this, if you were like, I don't want it, even on this, I don't like it, or this one, or this one, or this one, or this one, you would have got paid no matter what. Does anybody see how you could have possibly lost money by buying a put at the open on SPY and it was already signaled? It's not even possible. Impossible that you lost money if you traded SPY off the 2-minute yesterday, if you did what you're supposed to do, right?
Yes.
That's it. That's all. That's it. That's all. Okay. AMD, same drill. So if you're like, oh, I don't trade SPY, okay, here's AMD. Right. And here's your candle somewhere in this. Never broke VWAP, never broke, never broke, never broke, never broke. Decide where you want to take your money. Does this look like a losing trade on a put? So pre-market levels, yeah, it has nothing to do with the 2-minute EWO. Those are two different strategies. We only use pre-market levels for scalping, right? They're going to be indicative of key critical levels to start your day. And then sometimes throughout the day, they end up being big levels. But to start the day, it gives you an idea of market direction and what you can scalp with.